I'm gonna like wait until I fall. Wait until I fall back. That's gonna hurt like.
Somebody's gotta go for a head in. Someone's gotta do it.
Huh, who could that be? Let's get a little higher now.
The wasp will go head in.
Wasps are tired.
Didn't you say?
Ready for this?
It is the one wasp.
Yeah, I'm sorry if my...
Oh.
You're so cool.
Yes, yeah, I gotta beat you.
Are you gonna jump in there?
Yes, yeah. Hey, yes, yeah.
I knew I should have brought swim trunks.
Why?
These are your swim trunks.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
wearing my swim trunks. Hey, guys.
Oh!
Oh, it's cold, isn't it? He's like, oh my god.
I don't know. Last time I swam in a river, it was like 40 degrees. It's kind of cold.
Oh, dang, that's cold.
Okay, finally, we all can just swim and see that.
It's a good sandwich.
Wait, Gabe, now go do it off there.
Okay, I'll do it off there.
Oh, you gave me a 6, man? What?
That's a challenge.
That is a challenge.
Hold on.
At least get my feet in. Maybe you can get my feet in, make you not want to get in. It's so cold.
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah? Once you get in. However, getting in.
It's half the
I don't
battle.
want to get my body in. It's like right here.
It's like right here.
I just want to get my feet in right now.
No, he heard. No.
I'm come around.
I'm an F-man, I'm an F-man, I'm an F-man.
What should I do, guys? 180 front flip, double back flip. What's
Double
up?
back foot.
Backflip?
No.
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 Hold on.
Front
I
flip.
don't have my camera.
Hey,
He's got it. He's got it.
I don't want to. I just came up here to be dumb.
You don't
Okay.
want
No,
to? Okay.
You're not jumping?
I'm gonna swim.
Jump from right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
1,
No.
2, 3, go.
What should I do?
Front flip.
Okay. You gonna jump too?
No.
Come up here and jump with me.
I don't want to.
Me neither.
Hey, do it.
I'm waiting for yes, yeah.
Takya.
Takya. We love you, Takya. We love you, Takya. Takya, Honda Civic.
Raina, I'm gonna swim to you. I'm gonna swim to you, Raina. Grab me. Grab me so I don't die. Is it warm? Warm? Is it warm water? I don't trust you yet, yeah. I don't trust you. What do you mean?
I kept feeling.
Yeah,
I can't even feel that.
Say hi.
Are you cold, Jessica? I'm feeling better. Are you feeling better? I'm deciding if I want to go for it.
Oh my gosh, I wish he did that.
All the kids are like, pumped up kicks are
I was
running.
go with you, but I don't want to.
For me and my gun.
All the
Even
kids
this.
in their pumped up kicks are
Tiny.
running into the pool.
From my gun.
From my gun. Everyone knows that you can't attack people with bullets when you're in the water. Do you think I could slide down this?
Maybe.
Ow.
I think it'd be
That would be painful.
Yeah.
Really? Would they hurt?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'm not.
It depends. What's the definition of pain?
8.
8?
8 exactly. Precisely 8. I'm gonna go over here. Look at this. Raina, come look for wildlife with me.
Everything else is just fine.
Right?
I hate it. Yeah.